What is up, Nelly gang? Welcome back to the channel. So a company that I'm going to be working with today is a company called NaBeauty. I think that's how you say it. Shipping only took about 3 to 4 days, no longer than a week. You get a whole bunch of goodies in the box, and you also get some lashes. Oh, that was my brother. You also get some lashes in this cute little headband. I'll insert that in the video. So I'm just going to hop straight into the video today, you guys. So the hair that they sent me was their 150% density 18-inch curly wig. So this is what it looks like. This is how it was packaged and shipped. So really nicely packaged. This is the inside of the lace. It does come with baby hairs. The texture is extremely beautiful. I love the texture of this hair. It's like a wavy curly type of texture. So extremely beautiful. I love it. So now I'm going to go ahead and put my hair up. So I'm going to put my hair in a ponytail and then just put my wig caps on, and then you guys will see the wig on my head. So this is me putting on the wig. I must say, I think I have a really big head. So this wig did fit kind of snug on me. It was a little bit of a struggle for, for the wig to get on my head, but it could just because my hair underneath, I have a lot of hair. So the first thing that I'm going to do is just cut the lace into pieces. I do this because it's easier for me to glue the wig down. So I'm going to be using my black Got To Be Glued gel in the end of my rat tail comb and just applying a thin layer of Got To Be Glued gel. And I'm only going to be gluing down the front part of the wig. I didn't want to glue down the sides just because you wouldn't really be able to see it. You guys will see that later on. Then I'm going to take my blow dryer and blow dry the gel or the glue on cool air. Just use cool air, don't use hot air. So just blow drying that until I feel like it's kind of tacky. And then after that, I'm going to take those two front tabs and just pretty much put it on the gel or the glue. And I'm going to hold that down a little bit and then take my rat tail comb, kind of try to smush it into the gel. And then I'm also going to take my blow dryer again on the cool setting, and I'm going to go ahead and blow dry that in place. That way, we can make sure that it is secure. So I'm just making sure that I'm holding it down, so it doesn't move because I'm trying to get it stuck to my head. So like I said, I only wanted to do that to the front, just the front section, because the style that I was going for, you really weren't going to see this side. So I didn't want to glue the wig down all the way. So again, I'm just making sure that it's on there, because you don't want your wig just falling off. That's really embarrassing. So I really love the hairline on this wig. The hairline on this wig was beautiful. Like, they did an amazing job. I love that it came with baby hairs. So that means you can customize the hairline however you like it. So they did an amazing job. I'm not sure if the hairline is pre-plucked or not. It kind of looks like it is, but I'm not even really sure. So yeah, I'm just going to be cutting off the rest of the lace because that is the only part that I'm going to be gluing down. So we're just going to go ahead and cut the rest of that lace off, and then you guys will be seeing me pluck the front of the hair because we don't need those baby hairs looking like that. Okay, that's just too much baby hair. So I'm just going to be plucking the front a little bit, and then you guys will see me taking my scissors and just cutting down the baby hairs and kind of just trying to map out where I want the baby hairs to be. So right now you guys will see me cutting it, trying to figure out where I wanted them to be, how long I wanted my baby hairs to be. But yes, this hair was amazing, guys. Like, the hairline gets a 10 out of 10 for me. I just kind of wish the wig was a little bit bigger because I got a big ass head, okay? I got a big head, so it was a little hard for me to keep the wig on my head because my head is just so big. And yeah, so I'm just kind of mapping out where I want my baby hairs to be. Again, cutting down a few pieces, plucking, just customizing the hairline to get it to how I like it. I am a beginner when it comes to wigs. I say this in all of my wig videos because I don't need nobody thinking I think I'm a pro out here, because I don't. I kind of just eye it and figure out what kind of looks good, and I just go from there. So that is the baby hairs. Now I'm going to just kind of figure out how I want the hair to be styled and fix the baby hairs a little bit because I didn't like how they look. I felt like it kind of looked a little fake. So I'm just touching up my baby hairs and figuring out how I want the hair to be. So I just put the hair to the side. You guys, this texture was really beautiful. I honestly didn't even want to wet the hair because I just loved how it looked naturally. I just thought it looked super beautiful. Like, I just love this texture. This hair was freaking amazing. Love it. Love, love, love it. So I'm just blow drying it to make sure that the lace is staying down even more. And this is the hair when it's wet. It's kind of like not super wet, but it's majority of the hair is wet. It's kind of like that poofy, wavy, curly type of texture. I love it. It just looks so natural. I just love that. So I just took a little bit of conditioner, and I didn't want the hair to be too defined because I loved how puffy and just like, I just love the big natural hair type of vibe. So I just kind of wanted to leave it as it was. So I didn't use a lot of product. I kind of just scrunched a little bit of conditioner in there just so it wouldn't be too crazy. But I did get a little bit of shedding with this wig, I will say that. But when you have curly hair, that is to be expected. So it did shed just a little bit. But all in all, this hair was just amazing, you guys. I loved it, loved it, loved it. Amazing, amazing hair. 10 out of 10 would recommend. Only thing, like I said, is the shedding. You got to watch out for the shedding. But this is the wig. Look at that. It looks like it's coming out my scalp. Like, you can't tell me nothing. They did the damn thing with the hairline. Like, I love that. So besides the shedding, this hair is super amazing. There was no tangling or anything like that. Just real beautiful, natural looking hair. And I love the density on this wig. And I love the length that I got, the 18-inch length. It just looks really natural. So I will have all their information down below in the description box. Shout out to them for this beautiful wig. And if you're interested, it'll all be down below in the description box. If I have a discount code, that'll be down there as well. So that is the end of this video. I look like somebody's fine little mixed Puerto Rican mommy. I don't know what I look like. I just look fine in this wig. So yes, loving this hair. Thank you guys so freaking much for watching. And of course, as always, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, you guys.